Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Java Basics for Beginners, Part 1, Part 2 already uploaded in my channel. Please go through these. In Part 1, what is Java? First program, hello world, variables and simple calculations are taught in Part 1. In Part 2, input from the user using scanner, if statement, if else, for loop and while loop are explained in Part 2. In Part 3, we are going to learn printing text, how to print a text, printing the numbers, variables, updating the variables, simple math, comment lines used in Java, constant, different data types, and typecasting, how to change the one data type to another data type, that is typecasting. We'll see these topics in part 3. Here it is. First one is printing the text. It prints a message like Java is easy, hello world, this is me, etc. That is Bangalore, anything, any message we can print. That is very easy. System.out.println within the double quote, Java is easy. The output will be Java is easy. As simple as that. Okay. Next, printing the numbers. Numbers means system.out.println within the brackets 100. It will print 100 as it is. If I want to add two numbers, then no need to give the double quotation mark, because if I use those marks, it will print as it is. It won't give me the result as 30. If I want addition to happen, then I shouldn't add these marks. Got it? System.out.println. If I take 25 plus 5, it will give 30 as result. If I add these marks, it will give 25 plus 5 as it is, it will give. Got it? This is very confusing part. Be very careful about it. Then variables. Int stores the numbers, string stores the text. For example, if I take integer data type, it will stores the number. If I take string, it will store the text, that is Priya. System.out.println. Name, it will go to name, print the name as Priya within the double quotation mark. And system.out.println, age, it will go to age, print the age as 20. Remember that integer stores the numbers, string stores the text. This is very important. Updating the variables. First 50, later change it to 75. How? Let's see the example. Int score is 50. Here the score value is 50. Later the score value is changed to 75. It can automatically change because I didn't use any final keyword here, anything. It will update the latest value and print the output as 75 because I didn't use final keyword here. If I use final keyword here or here, before that, what is the value it will take? For example, if I use int final score, then score is equal to 75. The value doesn't change because here I use it final keyword. That's why it will take the output as 50. If I don't take any final keyword, the value will be 75 only. Got it? Here have to be very important and very careful here. Final keyword is there or not. Have to check twice. Okay. Next part. Simple math. That is int x is equal to 10. Int y is equal to 3. We can make n number of operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And system.out.println x plus y. It will go to x, go and check the value of x, value of y, it will give the result as 13. And x minus y give the result as 7. X into y, 10 into 3, that is 30. Then x divided by y, 10 by 3, that is 3.3 something. It will give the integer whole value 3. And these are the comment lines used in Java. Use it for just to note it. We used to note it. What is the output? What is the output for this? To note these things, we use comment lines, or any explanation is needed means we can use this. These comment lines are ignored by Java, means it won't take to execute. These are not considerable. Just to make a note or just for the explanation purpose, we use these comment lines. Next, constant fixed values. Final int year is equal to 2025. System.out.println year. The value cannot change after using final keyword. If I take year is equal to 2026, the output will be 2025 only. Because I have used the final keyword, the value cannot change once I enter the value and using the final keyword. Different data types. Int roll number is equal to 101. Double pi is equal to 3.14. Character grade is equal to A. Boolean is Java fun true. Integer used to store the numbers. Double is for fractional points. Character is for digits. Character, that is A, B, C, D, like that, single character. Use it for character. Boolean, that is true or false, 1 or 0 for anything, we use boolean. Different types of values can be stored in different data types. Different types of values, for example, here I stored true. If I store Priya, for that I have to use the string. Then typecasting, changing the data type. Here int a is equal to 10, double b is equal to a. Here automatically integer is changed to double. For example, a is equal to 10. This is a is integer. Double is b is double, but a is integer, no. Integer is automatically changed to double here. Because I have taken double b is equal to a. Automatically integer, a is integer, change it to double. Because b is double here. Double c is equal to 9.8. Int d is equal to int c. Here I have changed it manually because I have used int c. C is double, d is integer. I have taken c here. C is by default, it's double, but I am making it integer. That's why C become integer. This is how we have to change manually by using the data type in front of that variable name. Here system.out.println b. It will go to b. B is equal to a, no? What is the value of a? 10. It will print the 10 as output. But it is double. That's why we have to make it 10.0. Then system.out.println d. It will go and check the d. D is integer. But here 9.8 is there. But we have make it as integer. That's why we have to take the whole number, that is 9. This is how we have to change from one data type to another data type. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.